This chapter will introduce how to start a new FATEC PLC program. How to choose model of MPLC according to user needs. This table lists the number of real axes, virtual axes, and ECM support by each M-series PLC model. This page shows the location of the button of motion function. Introduce the software of MPLC, upper logic. This page shows the location of the button of motion function. How to create new project. Start a new project from the top left corner of the software. When creating a project, select the corresponding model and display the functions available for the selected model. This page shows how to open Toolbox if it is invisible. Find the Open New Project button in the upper left corner, select the correct PLC model, and press OK. If there is no Toolbox window on the screen, go to the View tab and find the Toolbox button to open the toolbox. Press the Online Monitoring mode and download the project. Run the PLC after downloading. How to PLC connection and update. PLC status will display the PLC version and motion version. Set up a USB connection or network connection with the PLC in the connection parameter. This page shows the flow chart of how to update firmware. Connect the USB Type-C cable to the PLC. Find the PLC status on the far right of the Software PLC tab and click it. Check the PLC model and firmware version of the PLC and motion from the window. And find the hardware ID of the PLC at the bottom. When you need to update your firmware, click on PLC Settings to open the drop-down menu. Select Firmware Update and find the firmware file in the folder of the corresponding model. Once the update is complete, the PLC will automatically restart. Open the PLC status window to confirm that the firmware version has been updated. The monitor chart is a tool for monitoring the movement process. Monitor table will show axis information, like current coordinates, servo status, etc. Add new item to monitor table. Item setting, select parameter, click OK. You can use Default Items button to return to default setting. Motion error monitor table lists the parameters about axis or motion errors. The error information of axis error codes can be viewed in the Error Detail Information column of the Motion Error Monitor table. The table provides descriptions for each error code. Continued from the previous page. Click the Monitoring Chart button on the PLC tab to locate the monitoring table and the error monitoring table. Open the monitoring table. Click the Item Setting button to select other monitoring parameters. Press the default item to display the default parameters. Monitor chart is the under the motion table button. The monitor item is on the left side of monitor chart. User can add or delete chart. When there are two axes, 2D plane monitoring can be used. There is also 3D graph function. Select the item to be monitored from the item setting. Add custom item to monitor the registers or relays of the PLC. Next, we will demonstrate how to monitor a special relay for a PLC with a monitoring diagram at address M9129, pulse signal with a period of 1 second. Press the online monitoring mode. Run the PLC. Click the Monitoring Chart button on the PLC tab to find the monitoring chart. Open the item setting page and select Selected from the Filter drop-down menu to deselect the default item. Press Add Custom Item, then press Add New. Enter the address M9129. Press OK. You can see the new parameters in the list. Press the Operation Monitoring graph. You can see a pulse signal with a period of 1 second. Demonstration complete.